Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make a screen font smaller in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. First we need to go to the phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu. Here it is. Then at the top version enhancements. And on this list we're looking for font size and style. So we have here font options. We can turn off bold, we can change fonts, and here is the font slider, let's say. We have a few settings here, so let's leave it somewhere in the middle ranges. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.